full passenger van.
Okay,
Whole surf team's in here.
Damn.
This is our crew.
I'm gonna see Blair surf a real board for the first time in my life.
Oh yeah. Probably break it first wave.
Your first surfboard, Blair?
Dude, it's the first one anyone has ever made for me.
Really? Yeah. Fiberglass.
Like, actually?
Yeah.
Wow. It kind of looks like a Skim too.
It is.
Just like a little bit bigger, yeah.
Thing looks sick.
I'm stoked on it.
It's like it's a hybrid. You can skim it and surf.
Dude, where's the ocean?
Ocean is that way.
That way?
It's a small ocean.
It's a small ocean.
Lake BSR, which stands for Blair's Surf Resort. Of course.
You're gonna skim?
I'm gonna skim for sure. For sure, maybe.
Never felt like a real skimboard.
Yeah, it's really light, huh?
Super light.
Okay, cool. So that's that.
Made it in one piece. I was so worried about a little dingage, but we're all good. We are all good. Things of beauty.
Dude, you just missed the
I
first
know.
set.
I told you, dude. We're a little late to the party. We're already firing off waves. We're gonna start out with the lowers right and lowers left, just to warm up. We might go throw a couple air sections in there too. We'll see. But there's only one guy out. One guy out. Look at this guy. He's already out there. That boy's frothing. It's his first time surfing in nice warm water here. Last time he was here, he was freezing. He's gonna be loose and ready to go.
Dude, you missed your first set.
I know. I thought the swell was gonna hit a little later. Looks like it's already filling in.
You get all anxious when they start pumping out waves that fast, man. You're not out there. You're just gonna leave.
Dude, the swell came in a little earlier than you expected, huh?
I know. We're running late. Or we showed up a little later than expected. Okay. We're going. I think me and 𝐂𝐎𝐒 might be going on the same wave. I'm gonna back him up. Do some follows. It's good.
Feel yourself
I know, backside.
early in the game.
Backside, exactly. It's all about conserving yourself today because we have a full day ahead of us. It's not quite 80 degrees out here like the weather was saying.
we got food.
Yeah, we got fooled pretty hard. It's like borderline raining and a little chillier than I thought. We're doing it.
Excited? Nervous?
I'm a little nervous, honestly.
Exciting? It's barreling out here, it's barreling. Nigel up and riding top to bottom, hey! Oh! Oh my God!
I think everyone's stoked. The New Yorkers are on a good one. So it's their first time surfing this wave, and big smiles going all around. Everyone's super hyped. The water's warm. We're having a grand old time. Good little warm up for the air sections. The wind right now for the lefts is prime time. That's why they're looking extra clean and a little offshore. So I'm excited to see what 𝐂𝐻𝐶 can do on these left air sections. I think it might be only lefts today. Oh yeah. Best session ever.
Dude, we might need a pole for that situation.
No chance, dude. We're close, up close and personal. That's too close. Uh-oh, we got reef injuries
Yeah,
already.
we got some reef injuries
Whoa,
out
a
there.
little
We got
reef burn.
coral heads. Oh, it's growing in there. It's crazy. X factor.
You gotta pee on it, right?
Yeah, Blair.
Warm the pool up.
Yeah.
It's a little low tide today. I swear, it's not normally this low. That's a lot of concrete showing right there. It's
More than the last time.
It's low tide, right? Yeah.
Half moon.
All right, that's the end of session 1.
What up,
How
y'all?
was the first session?
Amazing. You know, we out here in Texas in the rodeo. Real quick, you know, doing our thing. But yeah, Texas is cool. We're chilling. We out here with the boys, getting some sick waves. Good times, for
How
sure.
different is the wave pool to like a real wave?
So different. But it's like, it's cool. It's in its own way because it's so like mechanical. You know it's coming at you. And so this is my first session, so I don't know, check back with me after the third one and we'll see how it goes.
All right, I think it's about time for the left air section. We have the perfect ideal wind for the left air. 𝐂𝐻𝐶's about to just go off and blow some lines. I might land an air, we'll see.
What about you, man? We want to see you air.
No, I'm gonna do some airs. I think I'll pull something. I think I'm gonna pull something. Hopefully it's not my back.
I've heard the swell is about to change.
We're about to get a new direction, dude. A new pulse. Yeah, we're going out there
I like how it changes like every 2 hours. Man.
It's great.
It's pretty good.
Yep. So second session, we're doing the left air section, and 𝐂𝐻𝐶's already. He just ran out there. He's so excited to hit it. The wind is too good for it right now, so we're sending it. We're gonna go for it.
Yeah, go for it.
And your name again? 𝐂𝐻𝐶. 𝐂𝐻𝐶. Yeah. Epic.
Your name is still Blair, right?
Still didn't change. All right. So
Dude, I was actually stoked to watch you surf a real board.
the maiden voyage on the lemon tree. It felt good. I really started to get more of a feel for it when we were surfing the right lowers setting, and it felt nice on rail. Felt really good on rail. Airs, I need a couple more tries, just a couple. I think we'll get one.
You got really close to a few.
I thought I had one in the bag and ended up not working out, but that's okay.
Can you explain?
Honestly, the air section it can be hard to ride out of that foam ball. So after you land, sometimes just being able to sneak out of the foam ball is like the hardest part. It's weird because if you don't clear the section enough, you can definitely get stuck in like this foam trough. So you almost have to air and clear like a certain distance in order to really like ride out of it clean. And that's what I was having a challenge with. I think this next session, I'm gonna land. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
7. We're going for follow cams. Blair's on the Skim. He's gonna show us how to slip and slide.
We're gonna try not to shin you. Keep my skimboard away from you.
This thing is so sharp.
It's kind of deadly.
It's like a razor.
We're gonna keep that away from your face.
Yeah, we'll keep it, yeah. Safe distance. If you want to do a couple pop shove-its, you go send it, okay?
Snack time. Oh yeah. Turkey jerky.
Oh,
You want to get in on this?
that pro athlete diet, man.
Very good protein right here, buddy.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I've never tried this before in my life. We don't have this technology in Brazil.
You guys don't have turkeys in Brazil, that's for sure.
No, we have turkeys, we don't have this.
Oh man, I'm feeling a little broken already. One round of air sections.
The hip flexors are feeling it. At least 𝐂𝐻𝐶 landed something. He had a couple nice ones.
This wind is favoring the left air section.
Oh yeah.
Greatly.
As soon as we started going right, you could just see the crumble in it.
We're just gonna have to get, you're gonna have to get creative out there on your backhand.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
What do you do on this thing?
Can you do this?
I don't know. I'm usually a stand-up boogie boarder, so I feel like this is just like the next level.
Dude,
I don't know how I'm gonna paddle. I'm just gonna try to go poach a couple and see
go do this.
see what happens. Any tips? Any tips?
Battle hard.
Battle hat. Yeah, I can do that.
Battle hard.